Bobble. Bobble.
Down my shoes.
Sit. On my side. I don't know where. Oh, here it goes. Archie in the back, he's thinking about it. Looking for the perfect little crevice.
Oh, maybe that was it.
No, maybe not.
What are you doing? You can go away yet, boy. So, oh yeah, I need a wee first.
Morning, folks. How are you doing today? We're going to drive back round to the lake in a minute. Just for another change of scene. And then later on today, we've got to head back up because I've got a dentist tomorrow. Taking my bleeding tooth out, so I'm going to head back up towards Chamonix. Get that out of the way. And I think we've made a decision on what we're doing. Probably going to work as hard as we can for a couple of weeks, well we need to, after I've got my tooth out, and then on the 4th of March we're going to leave the valley, start heading up towards England, that's on the Monday. I'm going to try and book ferries for the Friday of that week, so I don't have to. But I've done it in one go a few times, and it's not pleasant. I wouldn't ask Marie to do that. So I'm gonna have a nice drive up, ferry over, stay in England for about a week, sort everything out, and then head back over again. I think that's the plan anyway. If anyone's around Dover on, what day will it be? The 9th? 8th or 9th for the ferry. Yeah, so if anyone's around at that point, stop for a coffee, why not? I don't know why I don't never film.
Those mountain lakes though, I
love it when they go like misty.
Yeah.
Oh, bubble.
You were keeping me so warm and now I'm cold.
Cold? It's summer!
No, it's not! Can we play some banging tunes?
What do we do, Mice? What's the plan?
Let's cut each other's hair.
Okay. This spot is wank. I mean, it's nice when you can swim, but as it stands right now, we're just sat in a f***ing lay-by at the side of the road.
It's true.
Could go round to that air if you want. It's not a particularly amazing view or anything, but at least we can dump the cars here stuff before we leave.
What are you doing?
You think she's going to cycle into us?
Well, it was seeming that way.
It's lovely down here.
When possible, make a U-turn.
Nicer when it's a bit wham though. That's where I was parked, on that left.
Oh, okay.
Right when the police came, you must leave immediately! I like. Where is?
Right underneath the thing, I think. Somewhere. And my hat in the bathroom.
We've got shitloads. Oh, buy some.
We've got quite a few left, but I'll have a look.
Right. We just come down the way a bit to an air that I found before when I was last here. Just so we can like chill out a bit. Good sun here. So panels it. So gonna try and get a video edited while we're in the strong sun. He's just next to the shop. It's all good. These panels should be making some serious power now. This is about the best they could ever get. Let's see what they're saying. Yeah, looks like 15 amps going in on that one. That's a bit beastly, isn't it? Hopefully should have pretty well charged batteries by the end of this. So this shows it. I've just scrolled through a bit. I don't know if you can see that very well. At the bottom there, look, this panel is making 204 watts. That's not bad. It's a 250 watt panel. For winter sun, you can't complain for 200 watts coming out of it. That's because of the tilt. I bet if I turn that down it'll be well less. Cool. Now we go to the shop for some sweetener. Comes back with
so many goodies. And actual food as well. Oh no, they're not thinged. They're not chopped. Oh, we can chop them.
Ready to go back up to the frozen wonderland. Reading the comments here from today's video, Michael Aldridge, I said I'd show you what the dash looks like properly, this little bracket thing, so for anyone else that's interested as well, give you a bit of an idea. Look, so let's have a look. So obviously I've changed all this quite a bit, this whole area, put the double din in there. These bits here, the thingy controls used to be here, so I took all of that out. Got my lighting switch panel and everything here. So got that, and then this top piece here, let me show you. So, got the reverse camera there, which is on its own mount under there, look. And then this one here is just the nav bracket that came with my sat nav. It's a Garmin Zumo, it's actually a motorbike one. It came with this thing called a RAM mount. So all I did was attach this plate onto the back of the mount and then just put a cheapo phone holder on there so that I can have everything sort of wrapping around. Because the position on the dailies, the driving position, everything sort of wraps around you. It's a bit like a lorry. So I just followed it with them, and then obviously, you know, I can do the music or whatever on my phone while I'm driving. So there you go. Hope that helps. Dead easy, dead simple. You know, nothing amazing. I guess those mounts there, because this thing's rock solid. Because obviously it's meant for a motorbike, so it can take all the weight. But I guess if you just search for like a motorbike, it's a ball mount thing, ball mount system. So I guess if you find one of them for your nav and then build the bracket, I guess you'll be able to get them for, you know, different brands and stuff. I would have thought so anyway. But yeah, hope that helps, dude. Well, let's hope the Talbot's all safe and sound.
Yes.
see much snow on the roof.
I think it's all gone. Oh wait,
bit.
there's a bit. We're English too. What am I doing? What's my accent?
Just make sure it's alright. Too thatchy. Coming on hot. Hope she starts up. I think it will. Hopefully it will. There she goes.